Decepticons, attack!
Decepticons, mobilize. It is time.
Soundwave reporting, Lord Megatron. I understand. No prisoners, only trophies. Soundwave superior. Autobots inferior.
I am Soundwave. I am Decepticon. Escape is impossible. Autobots inferior. Soundwave superior. This fleshling, your termination commences now. Is your beacon deployed? Operation Sonic Attack.
I've heard your music, Soundwave. I'm not impressed.
I have upgraded my instrument. Operation Autobot reprogramming near completion. Autobots will succumb to the will of Soundwave. Destroy the techno-organic. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Rat Bat deploy. Operation Autobot destruction. Obey Soundwave. Obey.
We can concentrate the energy into energon cubes and store them in the new space cruiser.
Laserbeak, prepare for flight. Operation Destruction. Generators under Decepticon control. Insecticons located. The Insecticons plot treason. I am yours to command, Insecticon Master. Give Megatron from primitive jet engines. Eject. Rumble, Frenzy, Ravage, Buzzsaw, Destroy Autobots. Objective accomplished.
Those who share my objective genetically engineered a series of activator minicons and programmed them to collect the weapons for me. Nuclear fusion grade fuel rods confirmed.
Why do you want these anyway?
This is a transgalactic beacon generator, devised from wreckage recovered in the Shadow Zone. When activated at the highest point in the city, it will transmit a signal strong enough to summon Megatron back to Earth.
The highest point in the city? But that much radiation won't just call Megatron, it'll...
Devastate the city, then spread to eradicate all life on Earth. Incidental collateral damage.
That wasn't my deal. I'm to rule Earth, a living planet, not a lifeless wasteland.
Your ambitions are irrelevant. Like the activators, you have served your purpose. Find another world to rule.